Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 SL400. This one is a Designo Diamond White. Underneath here is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. An express brown ginger beige Napa leather interior. SL400 badging. Power liftgate. Hardtop. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, 7-speed automatic transmission, our buttons for our hardtop. This SL400 has 20,699 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SL400, check out feldmanimports.com.